you adjust video graphs in Capcut Mobile completely free tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. 1. Click and select your video clip on the Capcut Mobile timeline. Selected, go down and scroll to the right. You see the option Filters. The Filters tab, go to the top left hand screen and click Adjust. Beneath Adjust, scroll to the right. You see the option Graphs. You have 4 different options to adjust the whites, the reds, the greens, or the blues. Click on the middle hand screen. You can add a point as you double tap to delete the point. And as you drag down, it will change the colors of your video. And if you drag up, it will add more. And if you drag down, it will add less. Free to mess around with each setting according to what you want. Happy or satisfied? Click the check mark on the top right hand screen. This is the before. This is the after. Completely for free in Capcut Mobile.